The Sculpt and Shape Folding Support Cushion is a double-sided cushion offering exceptional support for the key areas of your body. You can add it to your mobility scooter or wheelchair for extra comfort while you travel, or to your riser recliner for a comfort boost at home. This cushion features nodular foam on one side with a flat cushion on the other side, so it's easy to find your preferred comfort level. A cutout section in the coccyx area relieves pressure in the lower back and tailbone to ease those all too familiar aches and pains. It comes with two handles so you can carry it easily from your scooter to your living room, with two attractive tartan fabric colours to choose from. The Sculpt and Shape Folding Support Cushion is part of the wider range of scooter accessories. To find out more, visit careco.co.uk, pop into one of our showrooms or just give us a call. Thanks for watching, take care.